Hey guys, it's Maymay and my trusty sidekick.
Oh, Vinny's here.
We're here to talk to you about our holiday open house, which is on Saturday
December the 1st,
from
9 a.m. until 6 p.m. all day long.
Central Standard Time. See, we do
We
that really
did
well.
good, yeah.
So we are going to do something a little different. Let me explain to you why. Our store is tiny. I'm just telling you, we have a small store.
It's
We're,
not big.
we're not known for our retail location. We have a small retail location, but we love when you guys come to visit us. It means the world to us. So what we've decided to do, we're going to try this year. We're going to appreciate your patience with us as we try something new.
We're going to try it.
We have secured a location that is about 2 miles down the road before you get to us. And I don't even think it's 2 miles.
Well, it depends on which way you're coming to.
Well, for the most part, people will be leaving 65 that. Let's don't confuse that. We'll get to map in a
It's
minute.
about 1.5 miles, 2 miles.
It's not very far. Here's what you'll do if you're coming to the event. If you'd like to, you have a couple options. We're doing at the location that we secured off-site, we're doing something called Demo Day, where we will be doing demos of different craft products that we carry in the store, showing you how to use all different kinds of things. Also, we'll be doing make and takes there at the location, and we'll be doing we'll have some refreshments there, all kinds of stuff at that location. But the biggest thing is this: because we're asking you to go to one location and then come to us, we decided to do a special stamp set for you guys. Now, it's not exclusive, so don't get upset if you're watching this. I'll tell you how you'll get it too in just a second. But what we're going to do, because you're having to go to one location, drive to another, when you go to the Demo Day location, which will give you information of how to get there, you'll get a ticket. When you get that ticket and you come back to the shop here, or you come down to the shop, then you'll get a 4x6 stamp set, a full-size 4x6 stamp set, just for your trouble. This is just to say we know it's a problem, we understand, but
It'll
we
be a
appreciate you.
freebie for you for the sacrifice you had to make to go to 2 different locations.
And we appreciate it. It's all we really can do to fit everybody in and to be able to do everything we want to do, because we want to do hands-on demos. So just because maybe Lisa's demoing a product, which I'm not sure what Lisa's demoing, she's doing something, I just don't know which one she's doing. But say Lisa's demoing a project, I still want you to be able to sit at her table and hands-on get to do that with her. Okay. So we had to have enough space for us to do, I think we're doing 8 demos plus 2 make and takes. Oh, by the way, it's all free.
All free. And the Made It's are going to be there to help you with all of it. Every single one of them.
Even some people that I'm just going to name Made It that day because they're coming that day to help. We're trying to pull in all the help we can get. At this point, I think we have, I think we need one more person to fill in a spot. I think we have the person for it, but she's going to be a Made It that day too. So
there you go.
We're getting it done. Even Thomas is probably going to be doing a Make It.
Does he know he's doing this?
He doesn't know yet. We'll see if he can handle it. I think he can. Also,
and there's going to be Maymay and Beanie at both locations at different times during the day. We're going to spend most of our time here at the store, but there'll be at least once during the morning hours and once in the afternoon hours that we'll come up to the demo so we can see everybody that's up there, because some of you may not want to come down to the store to shop. You may just want to participate in the demos. So if you do that, you'll have a chance to see us up there too.
We'll probably start our day at the demo location, because that's where most people will start going first, I would think. And then we'll stay there maybe an hour, and then we'll head down here for the middle of the day, and then after lunch we'll go down there again. But do not worry. If you want to meet the two of us, it'll happen. We will be here, and you'll be able to do that. The other thing we're doing that day is spotlight sales. Do you want to talk about that?
No.
Okay.
I'm not a big fan of sales.
He doesn't like talking about sales, so I'll talk about it. We're doing spotlight sales. Here's what that means. Peppered all throughout the store are all different kinds of sales.
I like the way you said peppered.
Because it's a season, like we season
scattered.
It up. We have all different kinds of sales throughout the store. They're good sales, and they're sales you're going to like. And what we're going to do is we're going to have like little balloons on top of where that sale is. And we've also got some Starburst signs.
So are you telling me that we're having blue light specials?
They're kind of like that. They're kind of like blue light specials, but it's all day from 9 to 6. Some of you may not
remember blue light specials.
It's all day from 9 to 6, and it's while supplies last. Because when we sell out, we sell out. There's nothing we can do about that. And there's no rain checks on this sort of thing. But here's the deal: when you come in the door at the store, you'll get a little flyer, and that flyer has listed everything that's on sale. So you'll be able to find everything real easy. The best part is you're going to have all of us helping you. So we will be there to help you find everything you need. We also have.
My nose is itching. I'm sorry.
We have an actual exclusive that only happens at the open house. And I'm not going to discuss it on camera,
Do not discuss it.
but we will have. I feel like this. If you're taking time out of your day to travel to see us, we want to do something special for you. So we'll just call it a mystery. I said, though, I didn't say the bad word because I didn't mix them together. Just
That's
mystery.
awful.
So we do have that for you guys. And I think it's going to be a fun day.
It will be a fun day, and we look forward to spending some time with you guys and getting to meet you if we haven't met you before, and just getting to fellowship with one another.
Now, listen, if you have any questions about anything, we want you to email us. Number one, if you need instructions or a map on how to get there, Vinny and Amber have put together some instructions for you guys that they can email you. We're not posting it publicly on YouTube. We're just going to have it if you're interested. There's no need for it to be out there for everybody. It's just if you want to come, you can email us at info, that's INFO, at maymaymadeit.com. Also, you can call the store. Our phone number's on our website. The other thing I want you to do is if you have any sort of special requirements of any kind, feel free to ask us about that. And if we don't already have that taken care of, we'll do our best to take care of it for you so
That's
you can
right.
be here and attend. But if there's anything you need that to be able to attend that we may not think about, let us know. Email us. And we'll do our best. Or if you have a question, for example, we had someone message today to see if we were handicap accessible as far as our entrance is concerned. And we have about 1.5 inches lip that you have to get over at our front door. It's just a little lip. That's important for people. I don't want anybody to drive all the way here and then have an issue like that. So make sure, of course, we will find a way. It's not a big deal.
Yes.
But make sure you call us if you have anything special like that you might need to ask. That's how we learn.
Yep.
What we should share with people too.
Anything else?
We both said something. Anything else? 2 locations, lots of sales, 9 to 6. I think that's it. I can't wait to see you guys.
Yep.
Oh,
And we'll
refreshments. Did we say refreshments?
We'll have refreshments, and we'll have rockers out on the porch for the fellas that want to chill out outside.
We're also having a sitting room because last year several people said to me they wish they had a sitting room, and we have one room set aside. We're going to put chairs in. I don't know about a TV because we don't have cable here, so I don't know if we can even
Well,
do
we
that.
had talked about trying to get it because it is
You
the
have
SEC
4 days. It's not
championship.
going to happen.
It might.
If he can do it, he might. But we'll try. We'll have a place for not. Did you say husbands?
Yes.
Not just husbands. Anyone who doesn't want to shop but wants to support their loved one that wants to come.
Well, there you go. That's true.
That's fair. Because
It could be anybody.
Anybody. Last year we had. Do you remember what we did? We had the family. We had the husband row, which was the hallway where all the husbands sit.
But that hallway's not here anymore.
No, it's not. But most of our family sat there.
Yeah. That's
So
true.
our family's going to be here too. We're going to have a really, really good day. So
We're looking forward to it.
that's Saturday, so we need to go and finish setting up the retail location for you guys to come and enjoy it. We love you so much. We hope to see you Saturday. If we can't, we understand. Oh, the stamp set, by the way. I don't think I said this. If you don't get it at open house, don't worry. We're going to have it on the website at a special price for you guys. And for the first run. And
Did
then
I
when
approve a special price for that?
what's that over there? It'll be for the first run, and when
Oh.
that's over with, then it'll go to regular price. But we will have a amount of them at a special price for you guys, so you can get them too.
Yeah.
Yeah?
We don't want you to miss out on it just because you couldn't make the trip.
I don't do exclusive sets anymore. You guys have told me you don't like exclusive.
No.
Even if you pay for them, you want to be able to get them. So we've heard you.
That's right.
All right, guys, we love you. We'll talk to you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.